Tomorrow is potentially going to be the biggest day of the year for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. It will either make or break cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow, Elon Musk will be speaking at a Bitcoin conference with Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood. So he might open up his mouth and potentially change cryptos forever. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Myles here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I make videos every day about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. I have many years of investment and trading experience where I teach you technical analysis and how to make money in crypto. If you want to get access to my trade alerts for cryptocurrency, join my Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video description where you can message me. You can join the 4,000 member Discord. I do one-on-one lessons that teach technical analysis and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We are going to get started right now, but before we do so, go ahead and smash up the like button if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, and let me know in the comments, do you think tomorrow is going to be a good day or a bad day? Tomorrow is this big B-word event. Do you think Elon Musk is going to say something that will help cryptos, or do you think it's going to be a non-event? Nothing's going to happen. So tomorrow is going to be huge, ladies and gentlemen. In my opinion, my estimation, I think this is going to be a huge event for cryptocurrencies. I believe there's going to be a lot of positive press to come out of this event. They're talking about Bitcoin. We have Cathie Woods. She's the CEO. She's the head of ARK Invest, which they run a huge set of ETFs in the world. They're one of the most successful ETFs, very innovative. Cathie Woods, she's a stock investor, a huge analyst, and they've been buying GBTC. They're huge proponents of Bitcoin, and they believe that Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation, among other things. And Cathie Woods has been a huge proponent to get institutional investors, big institutions, onto the Bitcoin and crypto train. Then we have the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. He's a huge proponent to cryptocurrencies, also to Bitcoin. And then, of course, we have the Doge father, Elon Musk himself. Now, Jack invited Elon Musk to come to this event. It's a big event. It's going to be online tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So most likely I will be streaming and trying to do a live stream. See what I can do, if I can try to cover some of the video footage. I don't know about the copyright laws and stuff, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go live and see if I can display the whole image so that you all can see it. If I'm not able to do it, it's because there's some type of copyright issues and so forth. But a lot of people are going to be online tomorrow. A lot of people, a lot of institutional investors, a lot of retail investors are waiting for this big event. And why are they waiting for this event? Well, you know, the whole Bitcoin community is in thralls. They're upset because Elon Musk said that he's not going to accept Bitcoin until the ESG or the EGA standards or the environmental standards of Bitcoin are met for Tesla. Tesla wants Bitcoin to be 50% more energy efficient than when it previously was. Based on the way the energy was used to mine Bitcoins, it was not according to Tesla's desires at the time. So Elon Musk was really just trying to push the whole Bitcoin mining community to be more environmental friendly, so that it's more friendly for the environment, because there's a lot of speculators out there, people in the government, that don't like Bitcoin because of its potential effect on the environment. So since then, a Bitcoin mining council has been set up and headed by Michael Saylor, and they've gone out and surveyed and analyzed Bitcoin mining, the energy consumption, and to see if it's been more energy efficient since. Elon Musk also did say on Twitter that, hey, should we accept Dogecoin to buy Teslas? And is there any other cryptos that Tesla should be considering to use also as payment for Teslas? And also, Elon Musk did come out and affirm, said that we will accept Bitcoin again when Bitcoin mining can become more energy efficient. Bitcoin mining is now more energy efficient, and I think at this event, they're going to have the data to prove that Bitcoin mining is more energy efficient, and maybe Elon Musk will be aware of it at this time, that it is true and consistent with Tesla's desire to receive Bitcoin. Now, if this is true, Elon Musk may have been waiting for this big public event because he likes to make appearances. He likes to do big public things, as we already know. Maybe he was waiting for this time, this event, for him to accept Bitcoin again for Tesla vehicles. Now, as we saw in Elon Musk's tweet just a few weeks ago when he said, okay, Tesla's going to accept Bitcoin when they do this, this, and this. When he tweeted that, the whole crypto market jumped big. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin were up huge, and they were green for several days after that. So my personal belief is when they actually say that they're going to accept Bitcoin again, that they're also simultaneously at the same time going to accept Dogecoin. In addition, I think that's going to bring all the excitement back into the market to potentially start the second bull run to bring Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all of our favorite cryptos, including Dogecoin, out of the rut that we are in, out of this slow bleeding out correction. I think when Elon Musk accepts Bitcoin, even Dogecoin, even if he doesn't accept Dogecoin, that this will be the start of the second bull run. It's just my opinion, not financial advice, just my own opinion. What do you all think about that? Do you agree with that statement? Do you all think that we'll be back into the second bull run and have such a strong effect on the price of cryptocurrencies? Because last time when Bitcoin was around this same type of price, when Elon Musk said that they're going to accept Bitcoin, basically when Elon Musk changed his profile on Twitter to Bitcoin, Bitcoin jumped up to 38,000, I believe almost 42,000, give or take, somewhere around there. But there was a huge pump in the crypto market and Bitcoin because Elon changed his profile to Bitcoin. He said hashtag Bitcoin on his profile months back. So I think in addition to that possibility, even if that doesn't happen, I still think this is going to have a tremendous effect on the crypto market. A lot of good press is going to come out. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of great news that is yet to be released, and it's going to be done so through this event. Could be it for institutional use, retail investors. A lot of really good news I believe strongly is going to be coming out of this event. It definitely was funny to see this the other day. So Bitcoin Magazine came out and said that Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood is going to be there. And Jack asked Elon Musk if he can borrow a wig, and Elon Musk said, sure, I have a ton. So moving on from this event, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's do some technical analysis. Let's see what's going on, what's happening. First and foremost, we want to take a look at Bitcoin. On the 4 hour, Bitcoin is still dropped all the way down here. It is not doing much. Generally, when we see big drops, we see pretty big bounces, pretty big rises, and that's not happening. So that comes from a lack of volume and a lot of fear on the market. These whales have pushed the retail investors so far away that they're actually hurting themselves. If we zoom in on the 30-minute time frame, we are seeing a bit of an uptrend, a small little uptrend in this very tiny little area. So we had the initial bottom. We ended up breaking that with the wicks. But if we actually zoom in, we can see after that first bottom that the lows started getting higher and the highs started getting higher, but just barely. So who knows what is happening here? It's a consolidation period. Just trading sideways is really what's happening. And I think there's just a lot of speculation, based on all the fun, all the fear that is in the market right now. It's really affecting cryptos, especially the stock market. It's not doing so well. But we have this big event. Maybe people are waiting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. So that is Bitcoin right there. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is 1777. Can you believe how cheap that is? Ethereum did get a decent bounce, which is much better to see than Bitcoin. And we always know that the altcoins always outperform Bitcoin, especially Ethereum. We got a double bottom bounce and we started to slowly climb up. So in this little area, it is bullish. It is a bullish formation happening. But if we zoom out, it's obviously very bearish. But this potentially might be the bounce. This might be the bottom here that I'm speculating. We could also, just be warned, we could go further. Again, we could see another dump down before we start bouncing up strongly. I don't know what it is, but from what I'm hearing, a lot of bears are trying to bring the price down further. And once the price is hit to a certain degree, then people are going to start accumulating. That's kind of what I've been hearing around. But we have to hope and pray that this level here holds up strong for Ethereum. It has held up before in the past for Ethereum. And we've actually held up a lot stronger than the previous drops. The previous drops, we've actually dropped lower. But we are getting very, very close. So it's almost just the same exact level that we've come down before. With Ethereum, we've seen this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 touches on this line. So the bears are not able to bring the price down any further than this range. We have yet to see that in a long time. So looking at Dogecoin, this might be the bottom right here, which was approximately 16 cents. 16 cents might be the true bottom. We could definitely come down and test it again. The bears might try to bring the price down further, but hopefully tomorrow, if something good happens tomorrow, something tremendous happens tomorrow at that B word event, if Tesla accepts Bitcoin, this will definitely shoot us into the 20s. It will bring Bitcoin close to 42,000. That type of news will project us into the second bull run. Just my opinion. We are in a if we zoom out, we are in a very, very bearish scenario, to say very clear and distinct downtrend. However, we just got to hope that this is the bottom and that we can start to move up from here. Statistically and analytically, there is a high chance that this is the bottom based on historical data. And every time we've come into this area, we've had significant bounces and moves to the upside, not only with Dogecoin, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the crypto market. This is the area where cryptos bounce, but they're not yet bouncing, which is interesting to see. It's because there's not much volume. So if there's good news tomorrow, it will definitely help the crypto market. It could either make or break us, at least in the relative short term. And if there is no good news tomorrow, we could head down further until these buyers start to get back in and bring some volume in. So who knows how long we are going to be in this consolidation period, but volume will be coming soon. It might not be a day, it might not be a week, but within the next couple of weeks, next 30, 60, 90 days, I don't see any further than that for this thing to start taking off again. But hopefully a lot sooner, and more likely a lot sooner than that. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell anytime. If you guys got something out of the video, smash up the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, put it on Twitter, Facebook, all the cool places, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you very much for your support.